Hello world, welcome to your 27th SQL Server tutorial. Today I want to talk to you about using comparison operators. Specifically, in this tutorial we are going to cover the equality operator, the greater than operator, and using the between operator. So, concerning the equality operator. Well, SQL Server offers several comparison operators, such as equals, less than, greater than or equal to, among others. You're used to this from math in high school and college or whatnot. These comparison operators are found in tons of different programming languages on top of that. But anyways, coupling these operators with the where clause can assist you in limiting data in several ways. So, just a little tiny brief background there. So, to use the equality, the equals operator, we are going to just get rid of the order by statement here. We still want to use AdventureWorks 2012, and we're selecting all from human resources department. This is good, but what we're going to do is now we're going to specify the where clause. Department, where department 4, equals 4. Alright. Now, let's see what happens when we go ahead and invalid column. Hang on a second. I know what I did. Department ID. There we go. Cool. Alright, now we should not get an error. There we go, and there we have it. So, that's how to use the equality operator. Alright, now let's go ahead and try the greater than. See what happens. Oh, okay. So, we see this result set. So, if you'll notice here, this is where department ID is greater than 4, so obviously departments 1 through 4 are not listed here. Alright? So, what if we did it, turned it around? Did the less than. There you go, we only get 1 through 3. Yeah. And so we did equal, we saw just 4. We did greater than, we saw 5 through 16. We do less than, we see 1 through 3. If we did less than or equal to 4, what's going to happen? There you go. It adds 1. It adds 4 because it's also equal to 4, and it does all the ones that are less. So, if we did greater than or equal, well, obviously I think you got a pretty good clue as to what's going to happen. 4 through 16. Yep, 4 through 16. Alright, now, I want to show you how to use the between statement. It's a little bit different. So from here, we're going to be doing, we're going to select about count number, and then how about, sales order ID. Alright, and then how about order date? Okay. And then we are going to go from sales order header. As you can see right here, pretty cool. This is a thing called IntelliSense. Saves you time. And then this is where we use the where clause to specify the between right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put order date, and there we see that. Didn't do it. There we go. Order date, and then we do between keyword. Make sure we put that. Okay, how about we put, I don't know, May 1st, 2007. Make sure we put our quote again. And about December 31st, 2007. Alright. So we are specifying between May 1st and December 31st. Let's see what happens when we run this. Alright. As you can see, everything we have is within that date range. Pretty cool, huh? And I could specify that for a number of years, whatever I want. Very useful statement. Something to note, when using the between operator, note that it is in an inclusive range for numbers, which means that the two values specified in the clause will be included in the filter. Alright. Oh, something else to note. I know I said I wasn't going to get too into explanations, but this is pretty useful. In this example right here, the result set would include all order data that occurred between May 1st, 2007 at 12 a.m. and December 31st, 2007, 12 a.m. So, as such, it would not return anything that happened during the day of December 31st, 2007 after midnight. If you were required to include the values for that data, you could write the query as follows. So what we would do is we go here to the where clause, and then we put the greater than or equal sign, and we would hit execute, and whoops. Oh, I know what I did wrong. Oh, something on eBay is about to end. But regardless, this is incorrect syntax. Here's what needs to happen. This doesn't go here. And we get rid of the between altogether. Now we do greater than or equals, and then we go here, and we have to specify the time. And we go 00, colon, 00, colon, 00, and whoops. Alright, get rid of that. We're good there. And then we go and order by, or order date, less than equals to. Alright. That should do it. Yes, cool. So there you go. And then this would include anything after midnight on December 31st, 2007. Okay? So hope that covered it for you for using the between operator and using the equality operator, the less than, the greater than or equals to. In my next tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you more about the where clause, so hope to see you there. Bye.